Presented by Church Tech U, it's the ProPresenter show. On today's show, why does my text have horns or spikes on it, and how can I fix that? Hi, and welcome again to the ProPresenter show. This is the show where I teach all about ProPresenter. My name's Paul Allen Clifford, and before we get started, why don't you join the over 11,000 others who've gone ahead and subscribed to this channel, clicked on the little bell icon, and while you're at it, go ahead, like and share this video with others that you might find are interested in it. So this has been something that's plagued ProPresenter for a long time. I know that I've made this tutorial for Pro 6. I might have made it for Pro 5 as well, but I thought that we would talk about it and talk about the ways to get around this problem. So let's head over to my computer and take a look. So here we are in ProPresenter. Let's go to Amazing Grace here, and I'm going to right-click on it. Again, could have clicked the edit, but I'm going to go to Edit Slide. Okay, first thing I want to do is select this text, and I don't have a background on it. I do have a stroke, and let's say that I wanted that stroke to be a little bit more intense. So I started to add to it, and you'll see as I do that exactly what the problem is. Hey there, aspiring ProPresenter Pro. Are you tired of getting tangled up in tech trouble? Want to impress your congregation with mind-blowing visuals? Well, look no further. Introducing ProPresenter 7 training at Church Tech U, your secret weapon for unlocking ProPresenter's full potential. Join me as I dive into the world of captivating presentations, smooth transitions, and jaw-dropping effects. From beginner basics to advanced tips and tricks, I've got you covered. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Visit churchtechu.com/free trial for a free month now. Did I mention it's free? And revolutionize your ProPresenter game. Your congregation will thank you. These little spikes or horns that are showing up here. So that's the first tip, is maybe you've just got too wide of a stroke. So you can just notice when I get it down to 3 or 4, yeah, 6 or less, it seems to be not all that noticeable. So 5, can't see it at all. But maybe I want a wider stroke. What's another way? Well, instead of Helvetica, let's go to Helvetica. I don't even know how to pronounce that. New, whatever. So let's do that. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so that it fits the same. And now let me add a bunch of stroke on it. Notice no horns. The reason is that the angles here are a little less acute on the text. So just switching this back to Helvetica, notice the spikes come right back. And when you look at it, comparing those two fonts, you can tell the difference when you're looking at it just one right after another. But could you really tell the difference otherwise? Maybe not. So that's the second thing. Now, I know that it's the case that not all graphics software does this. I went into Photoshop and I tried to get Photoshop to do it, would not do it. So this is something particular to ProPresenter, that as you add a stroke, an outline around the text, if it gets to a certain size on some fonts, not all, then it will add those horns. So the two ways around it: make your stroke smaller or change to a similar font that may be the M, W, etc., V those more angular letters are drawn a little bit differently, and that'll solve that problem. So that's how to get rid of the spikes and horns and why they show up in ProPresenter 7. If you like this content, you'd probably like my ProPresenter 7 Quick Start course. So head on over to TDM.fyi/pro, the number 7, and quick. Give me your name and email address, and I'll make a login for you for free for that course. Until next time, this is Paul Allen Clifford from TrinityDigitalMedia.com and ChurchTechU.com, reminding you to go out and change eternity.